So guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make up to 2.6 USDT, which when converted to the Nigerian naira is worth about 4,200 naira. If you are not a Nigerian, you can actually do the conversion to your local currency to see exactly how much 2.6 USDT is, okay? So I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make such amount of money right here on Binance, risk-free, without doing absolutely nothing, guys, okay? So make sure to stick with me all through this video. Don't skip any part of it so you get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today, okay? So if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what we'll do here is we'll give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space, okay? So make sure to smash on that subscribe button right now. Destroy that subscribe button, guys. Turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads wonderful videos like this one you're about to watch right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly hop into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Alright guys, so here we are on my Binance account dashboard right now. So before you can start making money right here on Binance, you first of all need to have a Binance account, and as well you must have verified your Binance account. Okay, so when you have actually done all of that, the next step would be to start making money right here, guys. Okay, so how can you start making money right here? It's quite easy, guys. The very first step would be funding your Binance account with a minimum of 50 USDT and a maximum of 200 USDT. And boom, guys, when you have actually funded your account, the next step would be hitting on this place down below here that says wallet, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on it right now. All right, so here we are. So up here that says N, you also hit on N right here, guys. Boom. So here we are, guys. So down below here that says USDT, you're going to hit on USDT right here. Okay, so as you can see up here, guys, it is flexible, and flexible right here means when your money has been invested right here, you can actually get your money back at any time. Okay, what this means is you can withdraw out your capital and as well your profit at any time you wish. Okay, so that is basically what flexible means. And down below here says that you're going to be getting the sum of 9.45% max APR on a daily basis. Okay, so that is it. So on the next column here it says 3D, which is 3 days, 80% special offer. Okay, so this column right here, your money is going to be locked for 3 days, guys. Okay, and you're actually going to get an 80% special offer. All right, so the next column right here says your money is going to be locked for 21 days with a 4.5% APR, guys. Okay, so these are sweet deals Binance is giving out to investors right here on their platform. Okay, so how do you actually start making the most amount of money from these deals? It's quite easy, guys. So I'm going to be using the second offer right here that says 3D 80% special offer. Okay, so I'm going to hit on it right now. Here we are, guys. So as you can see over here, it says that the minimum amount you can actually use for this plan is 1 USDT and the maximum is 200 USDT, as you can see down here. Okay, if you actually use any amount apart from 200 USDT, which is the maximum, it won't work, guys. Okay, so let's take for instance I want to use $1,000 right here. As you can see, it says the amount cannot be higher than $200. Okay, so guys, as you can see on my balance right now, I currently have about 161.21 USDT on my balance. So I'm going to hit on max right here. So as you can see, my profit after 3 days is going to be 1.06 USDT. Okay, so let's take for instance I'm doing this 2 times in a week. That's going to be approximately 3 USDT right here, guys. Okay, so I actually subscribe to the plan right now. As you can see, it is subscription successful, 161.21666,809 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says go to earn wallet. So this is basically how you can do this, guys. All right, so let's take for instance I actually want to use 200 USDT. I'm going to hit on the end button again and just hit on USDT down here. Okay, and just hit on the 3D 80% special offer and just type in 200 right here. Okay, so as you can see, guys, it says the amount cannot be higher than 38.78 USDT. Okay, so this is because I've actually used 161.2 previously for subscription, so I cannot subscribe more than 200 USDT. That's the reason why they said that if I actually want to subscribe right now, I'm to use a balance of 38, because this particular plan right here is not supposed to exceed 200 USDT, guys, as you can see. Okay, so what I actually want to show you guys is, for instance, I actually use 200 USDT at first. I've been getting the sum of 1.31 USDT after 3 days. Okay, so let's say I'm doing this for 2 times in a week. That's going to be 2.6 USDT. That's around 4,000 naira plus. Okay, and this is basically every week, guys, with just 200 USDT. Right, so I believe this plan is actually a very good plan for persons who have a good amount of capital on their bank account and they don't even earn from it at all. Okay, can actually convert your money to USDT, and boom guys, you start earning from this plan. Okay, so I believe 4,000 naira weekly is actually a very good amount of money for anyone living in Nigeria. All right, so if you are not a Nigerian, if you are from other countries, you can actually know what you can do with such amount of USDT when converted to your currency. All right, so guys, this is basically what I actually want to show you guys on this video today. So if you found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And as well, if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now for more amazing videos like this, guys. Okay, and also turn on the bell icon so whenever I actually upload wonderful videos like this one you just watched right now, you're always going to be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so thank you very much once again for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.